Hello! Hi everyone, my name is Jason Fabian Patiño, and this video is made on April 18. I belong to 29 and I gonna present to you how Airbnb growth in recent years. Airbnb just become a millionaire business thanks to their innovative idea to offer location to travelers to lodge meanwhile they are visit another place for a walk from John. Then start with local use from families you need extra cash and are disposed to offer some or the spaces to travelers you want a cheaper place to stay. The case present on the document Airbnb plays to problems that put on an strategic analysis. The first one was the companies to revamp their core and mission to feel identified and to generate top of mind to their customers. For that reason, the founders decided to create a new mission and create a love for the company. For that reason, they hired some people to develop the ideas. The tagline and mission sign belong anywhere, and the logo was created too. But they received some critics from the press for the shape of their logo, and many people was accepted for the meaning of the new tagline because they considered that it means that the travel just to share time with their youths, which will be uncomfortable. The second problem in the dog was the fact that the founder and high ranks of the company cut their control of how the people should put on the rent their house treat, the customers and the inventory in the houses in which the travelers stay. The consequence of this problem are that travelers cannot be comfortable in the place they choose for a stay while tripping. So the founders will try to train the youths to become their houses in the perfect place to stay for the foreign people. With that, the two main problems presented in the document, and we can relate that how the spirit jets of the company can develop strategies enlisted in the document to make a better Airbnb. Thank you for the attention. Bye.